Our trip to the Rhine Falls fell on a foggy day, however, because our tour guide provided so much valuable local insights not only about the Rhine Falls but also about the culture in Switzerland as a whole. It was such an excellent experience. Fortunately for us, though, despite the foggy morning, we were still able to see the Rhine Falls in all its glory, and our family and the tour was well organized and easy to find. We just presented our QR codes at the venue as indicated and off we go. The guide explained certain things about Switzerland to us, which was great. She was also very clear about how we can navigate when we arrive at Rhine Falls. There is an optional boat ride into the falls if you'd like. You will get wet and have to pay additional for it. It can be quite the experience. It is actually easy to get to the falls. We had a great time being a part of this tour. The meeting point is walking distance from Zurich HB station and the tour starts early so you have the afternoon free. We went to the Lindt chocolate factory after the tour. Our guide Marcella was very graceful. She filled us in on a lot of trivia about Zurich and Switzerland on the way to Rhine Falls. The ride takes about an hour. The view of the falls is mesmerizing. There is also a 15-minute boat ride that you can take if more than 18 people in the group are up for it for an additional 10 francs. Fortunately, 25 out of the 28 people in our group were up for it. We really had an amazing experience. The tour was very organized and the guide was very knowledgeable and with good sense of humor. He knows the history and can speak different languages. Rhine Falls was beautiful. The boat ride near the falls was exhilarating. Bus transport was very comfortable. Totally worth it. Highly recommend. Thanks. What an incredible experience. Rhine Falls is magnificent and no wonder there were so many people that are smiling even after the tour ends. If I'll go back to Zurich, I'll visit this place again. This was the absolute highlight of our trip to Zurich. The itinerary was excellent and the guide, Jean, was really good. My family had a great time. A great tour. The guide was kind and informative and the falls were amazing. Photos don't do them justice. Highly recommend the boat tour add-on. Highly recommend as we all enjoyed the trip. It was timely managed with a professional approach. My friend and I joined the Rhine Falls tour and had a fantastic experience. Everything was very well organized from start to end, and the bus ride was smooth and comfortable. Our tour guide, Olga, was also incredibly knowledgeable about Rhine Falls and Swiss history, and her friendly, engaging manner made the tour even more enjoyable. The falls themselves. I really liked the guide's enthusiastic explanations and the smooth progress of the course. Of course, the Rhine Falls are a highlight, and I recommend getting up close and experiencing them. I visited in the fall, but I'm sure the scenery around will be different depending on the season, so I'm curious about that too. For just a moment, we passed through Germany. Very beautiful place and well-organized tour. I recommend to buy this ticket because it is only for a few hours and allows you to spend time with pleasure. Smiling face emoji. The Rhine waterfall is amazing. The tour guide Andrea is well and talk and explain about culture, food, town, scenic paths be along the way to and return Rhine Fall. We have a nice tour guide which provide us informations. Very beautiful place and experience. Must to try. July 2, 2024. It is a very worthwhile trip. The meeting place is clear. The director is gentle and attentive. You must take the Rhine River boat at your own expense. It costs CHF $10 per person and lasts 15 minutes. It is